Let's learn how to find the median. So in order to find the median by using the Excel, it's basically the same as mean. So I'm gonna label it median, and as usual I gotta phrase it here equal sign. That's the syntax I have to put, otherwise Excel will not understand the command. So then of course I'm gonna press M for median. So if I have M, there is a mini drop down button comes in median down here. So M median, median of what? This number. So I'm going to highlight all this number and of course close parentheses and enter. So that's 24. Now we have to be very careful. Is it a whole number or what? So let's take a look here. As you see, as you stress out, you can actually check it out. So I have to actually highlight it here so I can see, yeah, that's 23.5. Again, it's not 24. Is basically we have to navigate what is there actually. So it's 10th place, if it is 100th place, we can just do like that, 23.50. So that's how we find the median. Again, even though there was a 0, we have to actually include that access to 23.5. So Excel is beautiful. It gives you the answer right away. Thank you.